Have you ever had trouble setting up a 3D scene in After Effects? You know what I mean. Positioning a layer, scaling and adjusting it because it's too far or too close, and scaling it back, and doing that again and again for all your layers. We don't have time for that. That's why Parallaxer was created. In Illustrator or Photoshop, separate all your layers according to their depth. Once you're satisfied, import your file into After Effects as a composition. Launch Parallaxer and convert your work to 3D with one click. Voila! But the best part is that you can now move your layers in depth without changing their size in the image. Adjust your scene intuitively and live. Time is precious. Let's use it to create. 2.5D parallax animation in one click with automatic scaling of your layers. That's Parallaxer for After Effects.
SVG to AE lets you import your SVG file into After Effects as a shape. Simply create new composition, select timeline panel and drag and drop your file into extension window. And it will be imported in After Effects as a fully layered shape.
professional grade animation. Next level.